Sunday. Back once again for another wonderful, awesome video. We're out here today at the Searcy Trailhead out here on the Stones River, West Fork that is. And we're about to get it in. The water is up and looking very nice. This should be a good trip. Shouldn't have to paddle too much. Let's get it in, catch some bass. Oh, and some trout, because we never caught one before. Let's do it today. All right, peace. Woo! All right, Pelly. Hello. Hello. So, folks, we are in the original boat today. Just because this river is pretty rocky and there's like a cheese grater on the bottom of your boat. And I don't like that. I don't like that. This is gonna be an awesome trip today though. Plenty of bass to be caught. Let's go over here and catch a fish. Greg Blanchard is becoming a very big influence on me. I'm out here with fish sticks, rumbling on stuff. See if it works. Got one. My first little fish of the day, folks. You see it? Oh, we're throwing Ned rig all day, baby. Oh, it's a red-eye rock bass. Nice, my first one. And it's through your face, buddy.
You got a 12-inch rock. I'm just kidding.
All right. Folks, my first red-eye rock bass. You see him? Do you see him? Little bitty guy here. I appreciate him so much for getting on. You looking at the camera? You see him? You see the folks. Say what up to the viewers. What's up, viewers? How you doing today? I'm going back in the water now. Peace. Appreciate you. I'm not close enough. Is it that time already? You get one? Oh, got one. Gotcha. And you got off too, in the net. Nice, nice job all around, buddy. Thank you. Are you a smallmouth? Red-eye rock bass and a smallmouth now. Ned rig. Ooh, he's pretty too. Come here. Folks, fish number 2 of the day. Smallmouth guy, he is beautiful. Looking nice, buddy. Looking nice, buddy. Thank you so much for getting on. You're welcome, Sunday. Well, I'm gonna put you back in the water over here so you can go back to your home, folks. You see him? Smallmouth guy. Fish number 2 of the day on the Ned rig. You ready? All right. Nice. cheese grater. I appreciate that. Across the cheese grater. Oh. That sucks. No. I'm okay. Cheese grater. Fuck, how did you get through here? Wow. Just went through a maze, viewers. Really for no reason. Which side you go down? Okay. Like how much? Like how much? Like straight drop off? Shit? Just elevation? Okay. I think you need to be in the middle towards the left. It's about 2 foot in elevation drop. It's not straight on. It's not straight down, but oh. Woo! Okay. Yeah. As soon as you screamed, I was like, nah, that's not safe. All right, viewers, we are creeping through the cut. Yeah. Folks, we're back in trucking through God's green earth to bring you this video. Yes. Like this. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's just as bad.
That looks a little worse. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah, if you can get through it. All right, folks.
That's not a drop.
Yeah, that's nothing at all.
And it's the same level down there that it is up here.
Yeah.
When we were
What's up?